Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Thermomix TM21. In this video, we will walk you through essential steps to keep your appliance in top condition. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, a small brush, and a vacuum cleaner with a nozzle attachment. These tools will help you perform a thorough cleaning and maintenance check. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. Set them aside for cleaning later. Now let's focus on the base unit. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the bottom of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to reassemble the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the base. This will expose the internal components of your Thermomix. Here, you can see the motor and other essential parts. It's important to keep this area clean to ensure optimal performance. Using the small brush, carefully dust off any debris or food particles that may have accumulated inside. Pay special attention to the motor area, as dirt can affect its efficiency. If you notice any stubborn residue, a damp cloth can be used, but make sure not to get any moisture on the electrical components. After cleaning, it's a good idea to vacuum the area to remove any loose particles. Use the nozzle attachment to reach tight spots. This will help maintain a clean environment for your Thermomix. Now, let's talk about the bowl and lid. These can be washed in warm soapy water. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before reassembling. If you find any cracks or damage, consider replacing these parts to ensure safe operation. If you're not comfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues and provide solutions tailored to your needs. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Place the cover back on the base and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any operational issues. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM21 back in and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Before concluding, always remember to check the user manual for any specific maintenance recommendations from the manufacturer. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Thermomix and keep it performing at its best. If you need assistance, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for watching and enjoy your perfectly maintained Thermomix TM21. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.